friend of mine knows that I'm into electronics and computers. He needed to reinstall Windows on his PC. It was working pretty slow. So I gave him the idea to try and install Windows 10 on it. So he gave me the go-ahead, and here it is. And it's a great opportunity to make a video about installing Windows 10 on an older custom built computer and see what problems I will encounter, if any, and what I have to do to solve them. So yeah, let me just open it in a moment and see what's inside the case, because I have no idea. Okay, we're in. We have here GeForce 210 graphics card, 1 GB card, passively cooled, 2 GB of DDR2 RAM. The processor, I'm thinking a dual core of some sort, maybe E something, not really sure yet, but from the motherboard on and from the cooler, that should be it. The DVD writer isn't opening its door anymore. It tries, but it can't do it, and most of the times when this happens, it means it wasn't open for too much time, and the grease on the side rails has become dry, and the friction on the small belt is not enough to pull it from that grease, pull it out. So it just has to be opened, cleaned, re-greased, and the little belt sometimes has to be cleaned a little bit, maybe put on it some talcum powder, some powder to make it not sticky and not greasy. So yeah, that's about it. PSU, I'm thinking some no name. Yeah, it's an older PSU, but I think it's okay for this configuration, no problems there. 2 hard drives, from what I saw both of them are 160 gigabytes. He has another 500 gigabytes drive on which he backed up all of the data, and that hard drive is at his place, so I'm free to wipe everything out and start from scratch, which is actually the ideal situation when installing Windows. So yeah, I will get the USB drive ready, because I want to try and install from a USB drive and not from the CD-ROM Windows, and yeah, see how that goes. Talk about being lucky. This is how my friend's PC fits in the place that I keep my PC. Yeah, it's that close. If it wouldn't have fitted, I would have needed to move a lot of things so I make room for the PC. So yeah, really lucky this time. Let's continue. Spoke too soon. You may be wondering why I'm pointing at this. Well, this PC needs a PS2 keyboard to work. So yeah, I have a USB wireless keyboard. A little bit of a problem, because it's not even set to boot from CD or USB. maybe it doesn't even know how to boot from USB, so I have to make a DVD with Windows. But on the other side, it seems the DVD drive started working by itself and I don't have to fix that anymore. If you push the button, it comes out, you close it, it closes, comes out again, so no problems there. But nonetheless a delay, because now I have to get this type of keyboard from somewhere. So yeah, bummer. We will continue. It seems that I will put this article in the description of the video so you can read it. It seems that actually Microsoft lets you use Windows 10 without a valid license, without a key. You just install it and it will run without any issues. The absolute single, here it explains how you install it and other things. The absolute single problem is the little watermark in the lower right hand corner, and the fact that you cannot personalize your desktop and colors, lock screen, themes, but I never changed this. I only changed my wallpaper. And in the article it kind of tells you that you can even set lock screen and background. So yeah. Finished creating the new insider account, logged in, and yeah, get Windows 10. Yeah, sorry about this, it's in Romanian. You have to download, sorry, I'm Romanian, I don't speak very well English. You have to download the media creation tool. I will download the 64-bit version. For another PC. I have no idea what's about the N, but I'm going for the standard Pro. I will get the both? No. I will get the 64-bit version because for the moment my friend has 2 GB of RAM. That would be ideal for 32-bit version, but if he upgrades and he has a free slot, he will need a 64-bit version because the 32 one can't see 4 GB, so it's better to be safe with 64-bit. So yeah. Next, USB flash drive, because like I told you I have to fix the DVD-ROM. I will fix it tomorrow and I will install from flash drive for the moment. It has seen my flash drive, and yeah, I will stop the video for the moment because there is no point in waiting on video at this time, and we will continue when this is finished. I've just got back for a second to clarify the N version. I've done a little bit of searching online, and it seems the N versions are the ones without Windows Media Player and other media related software. Something about the European Union, European Commission forced Microsoft to release these N versions without the media related stuff. So yeah, it's good that I clicked on the Pro version without the N. So we will continue. Download finished. Now it's copying the files to the USB drive. And just a heads up, just before it got stuck at 50%, and I got an error that it couldn't finish the job, and I realized that it must be because of my antivirus. So I've disabled my antivirus for the moment, restarted the media creation tool, and now it's working normally, got past the 50%, and everything's fine. So if you have problems with the media creation tool, disable your antivirus and you should be okay. Now we wait a few moments, probably this will finish quite soon. You could try to search your drivers based on your motherboard model and have them ready before installing, but I usually install Windows and just see what did not got installed and search from my other PCs the drivers, put them on a USB drive and install them. But if you don't have other PCs nearby on which you can search for drivers, it's better to have them ready. I have no idea why it restarted this, or maybe it's something completely different, but yeah, we will wait again for 100%. But I will stop the video because most likely it will take a long time. Yeah guys, 2 days have passed. I'm back on my PC. I've learned 2 things about that computer. First thing, it didn't want to start even with a proper, for its age, proper keyboard. So I had to reset the BIOS. The BIOS got corrupted somehow from transporting in the car because nothing else was done to it. So yeah, that's that. And probably if I would have reset the BIOS, it would have worked with my keyboard. I will try that later. And the second thing, that old PCs don't necessarily boot from USB drives. I thought that being I don't know, PC with dual core CPU, DDR2, it has a big chance of booting from USB sticks, but no way. It's pretty ancient, sadly. So back to media creation tool, starting all over, and yeah, this time I'm going to show you how to create a bootable, sorry, I can't pronounce that, DVD. So yeah, hooray! Where is the menu? Here is the menu. Pro 64-bit. Next. Yeah. The Witcher 3. I should play The Witcher 3 instead of doing this stuff. But yeah, at least I'll be happy when I see Windows 10 running on that PC. I hope it will run actually. So we'll continue the video when this is finished and I will burn the DVD. It finished downloading and creating the ISO. So now I'm thinking I have to click this. Yeah, that should be it. Button. I have no idea what speed it will write this DVD, but at this point I couldn't care less. The only important thing is that it writes it. Pretty big speed from the sounds I hear it making. But I have a decent recorder, so there should be no problems. Okay guys, next step, finish this, close my computer, put the DVD in the other computer and boot from it and install Windows. So if everything goes well, we will be on the other computer in a moment. Okay guys, we've just booted up from the DVD version of the Windows setup, because this PC doesn't support booting from USB, so yeah, that kind of sucks. I also had to remove the power from the IDE drive to disable it, because they were both Western Digital 160 gigabytes drives, and I would have no idea which is which to install Windows on the SATA one. So I disabled the ID one, and yeah, we just booted. This is, sorry, it's in Romanian, so yeah, I will change the keyboard to US because my friend uses US keyboard. Next, install now, and yeah, you will not even need the key to enter the serial key, because it seems that Microsoft allows you to use Windows without a key. So at this step you just click skip for now, maybe in English, in Romanian ignorare, and it will install Windows. And the only downside will be that you will not be able to change some personalization settings, and yeah, the rest will work perfectly fine. They want to do this just so even more people will install Windows 10. So they practically almost give it for free to everybody. For how much time, this is not really clear, but at this point you can install it without buying it and use it without absolutely any issues. So yeah, this is pretty good. The maximum for the partition. Okay, it will create 500 megabytes by itself partition. I don't know why it creates these two empty ones. I don't even really care. Next. And yeah, this will take a while. I will stop the video until something else interesting happens. Okay, Windows is asking for the key again. I will click, I don't know in English exactly the text, skip for now, do this later, something like this. So you can clearly see it lets you go to the next step, just to disable some things here. Next. Next. And yeah, probably this will take some time and I will stop the video again. Okay guys, Windows started, everything is finished, without any keys entered. We can see Windows is not activated, but I can't activate it because I don't have a key, so my friend will use it like this, not activated. From what I found online, a lot of people are using it like this without any issues. Okay, you can clearly see everything was installed by Windows itself. I didn't have to search any drivers, so even for this PC that is pretty awesome. And I've just to make sure that my friend will be allowed to use this Windows like this for a longer time. Maybe it's not necessary, but I've set it up as an insider PC to get insider builds. You can see here he's on the slow rings, or how this was called. So yeah, nothing tells me that this won't work for maybe a year, maybe more, forever, I have no idea. But from what I found online, it seems that Microsoft wants more people to use Windows 10, and they basically almost give it for free to everybody. So yeah, this is pretty nice. So okay guys, this is about it. I will just have to install some basic programs for my friend, and yeah, this is how you can have Windows on any old computer, Windows 10, without needing a license, or at least not at the moment. What Microsoft will decide in the future remains to be seen, and we will deal with that at that time. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, and yeah, like, dislike, subscribe, do what you feel you need to do. Bye.